Doing too much with this wig that I'm about to do in this color. Why am I out of breath? No, all I did was sit down and I'm out of breath. I gotta get back. I gotta start back working out and stuff, y'all, because there's no reason for me to have been out of breath like that. It might be because Sensationnel is taking my breath away with these latest drops that they have coming out, or they have come out. You know, I'm always tardy to the party. I'm not sure if they have. In 2024, Sensationnel won 2024. Y'all, I think that they taken a slight edge out over Outre this year because they don't just want to run it, in my opinion. I think Sensationnel is going to win 2025 for me because they just dropped so many good units this year, keeping prices affordable. I just love them. So this one and the next one, honestly, both of these, let's see if they edge Sensationnel out ahead of other competitors. So this one is part of Sensationnel's Butter Lace collection, but you know we have subsets within Butter. This is Sensationnel Butter Lace, part of their pre-cut collection, and this one is in the style Butter Pre-cut Unit 21. That goes to, and not only do they create these little subsets within lines, they bring the heat. Y'all, we already up to 21 in this pre-cut collection. Now, I got this unit in a beautiful, beautiful color. It's the color that she's wearing on the stock card, and I picked it up in light ash brown. I don't know how that's gonna look with this lipstick. We shall see. Let's take it out of this packaging so we can look at the stock card and the wig up close. I just get so excited around this time of the year. And y'all, it's not because, oh, it's the holidays. I get excited for the food, and that's why I was out of breath. Just sitting down. I'm all right. So Sensationnel says that this is a wig that you can just wear and go. It comes with smaller pre-tweezed knots. It's already pre-cut. It says that it's heat safe from 350 to 400 degrees. Like I said, I'm wearing the color that she got on the stock card, but she does come in some other colors as well. She comes in, of course, a 1, a 1B, and a 2. I wish they would do these in a 4. 4 is my favorite, like, natural looking color. But she also comes in honey blonde, light ash brown, which is what we have, secret highlight buttery blonde, secret highlight golden walnut. I love that color. That was one of my favorite colors this year. And secret highlight honey. So not only burnt my legs with this hot, and you know this ain't got no shit. Look at this. You know it ain't got no automatic shut off. I'm gonna sit myself to the emergency room. Y'all, where am I at? What am I talking about? Just rambling for no reason. Look at the texture though. Let's bring it back to reality. Look at the texture on this. And this is why Sensationnel is going to win. Okay? Because they bring us this beautiful texture on this ash blonde or brown? Ash brown wig, y'all. Come on now. Yes. All right, as far as the cap construction goes, Sensationnel is still giving us combs. We know that there are some companies that have stopped putting combs in these wigs, and we need them. Okay, we get 2 combs there in the front. You have ear-to-ear lace and a lace part. Sensationnel also gave us a comb in the back and some adjustable straps, and they gave us, is it adjustable? An adjustable glueless bands. Okay, Sensationnel. Okay, and they say that it's pre-cut. That lace actually don't look too bad, huh? All right, so what I want to do, I'm going to put this unit on my head. I'll give you a 360, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts, you guys. Be right back. In the city, let me used to drive a Yukon. Pick up whenever you call. In the parking lot in Tucson. Are you with me? In the Phantom with the roof gone. I pull up like Jimmy Neutron.
it's gonna make you, babe. What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do if I didn't love you? Wanna be the one to give you what you want. Like I wish you wanted, you shouldn't run. Right around town with your hair down low. I know you like it when I tell you what you want. If you play what you doing, you don't know. I can tell your friends you can do one thing. You like to go slow, you want to go faster. Let me the password. Slide city, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. I make nice things. Slide. Any other man tryna get in the bed. So I'ma get slow, babe. I know it's gonna make you, babe. What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do?
This is why Sensational will also win 2025. Like they did this mess last year though. Around end of November, December, Sensational just started spitting out fire. Fire. They did that, which they gave us fire all year, but I don't know what it is about November or December. I don't know what their creative department is doing, but it's like towards the end of the year, they like, let's bring out the big guns. And they hit us with stuff like this. Y'all, this is such a gorgeous, beautiful, everyday wig to me. And this is in an ash brown, right? And I normally wouldn't wear like something like this on my day-to-day, but I would. Okay? This color, y'all, they had this in that, what was it? The color that I like, golden walnut. Gotta get it. Gotta have it in a 1B. Y'all, I don't think you could go wrong with this wig in any of these colors. This light ash brown is probably the more risque of all of them, and I feel totally confident in this. Sensational did as the kids say, they did a big one. This is one I definitely can get behind, and I'm super excited about the other three that I have. One of them I might have already reviewed before, but I'm gonna review it again. That's how much I love the wig. This is one that I can definitely get behind, and I'm excited about the others that I picked up. This one is a winner. So I can move into the next review. The next one I'm gonna do is this one. Okay, this is one that's been all over YouTube. I haven't watched everybody's reviews because I want to go into it unbiasedly, but I have a feeling I'm gonna like this one too, y'all. Talk to me in the comments. Tell me what your thoughts are on this color and this wig. This is the one that I definitely think that you need. Also, please, because by the time you're seeing this, it is December. If there's a Sensational unit that I have not reviewed that you want to see, please give it to me so I can make this decision on who won 2025. Send me the name so I can pick it up and I can review it. Until next time, y'all, which will be really, really soon, as in probably 2 or 3 days from the time you're seeing this one. Bye, y'all.